Hello everybody, in this video we're going to learn about the CHAR function in Excel. Now this is a bit of an old school text formula that's rarely used nowadays, but it's worthwhile to know how it can apply to some of your functions if you do happen to use some old school alphanumeric numbering in your formula. So let's take a look at what it is and how it actually works. So the CHAR formula is mainly used for converting ASCII codes to characters. The char text function is used to return the character specified by the ASCII code. The formula used for the char function is denoted with equals char and then followed by the number. So you're probably wondering, what the heck is an ASCII code? The ASCII code stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange and is a character encoding standard that represents text characters in computers and other devices that use text. It works by assigning unique numeric values or code points to each character, including letters of alphabet, digits, punctuation marks, and control characters. The ASCII standard assigns numeric values to characters starting from 0 to 31, which are considered control characters and are also non-printable characters. The first printable character in the ASCII table is the space character, which starts with code 32 and goes up to 127 for the basic ASCII set. The extended ASCII set goes beyond 127 to 255. So a good way to think about this char function is having it function as a certain table which has serial numbers corresponding to certain preset values according to the ASCII standard. So let's take a look how that will look like in Excel. So if we take a look at our Excel sheet, we can see how the different sets are split up, starting with our control characters here, and which are essentially all the same and are considered as non-printable. So if we scroll further down, you'll see all the different non-printable values associated with it. After that, we have our standard set, which starts from 32 and goes all the way to 127. So you can see the different digits, characters, and punctuation marks that are associated with it. And for 32, you can't see anything in here because it is actually a blank space. And after that, we have our expanded set from 128 all the way down to 255. Now, if you had a table set full of numbers and you wanted to reference their ASCII characters, what you would do is have the serial numbers laid out, and then in the cell here where we have the ASCII characters set up, what we would do is click on equals char, and then we would reference the number, close our parentheses, and we're good. So that is how you can essentially find out the ASCII characters associated with a specific serial number. As we previously mentioned, the char function is mainly used to convert ASCII codes to characters. However, there are some other use cases we can take a look at. So with the char function, we can create strings or characters based on specific conditions or calculations, and we can also create special characters in our spreadsheet. So let's take a look at a quick example of how this may look. So in this example, we're going to use the char function to display a specific character based on a preset condition. In this case, let's say you have a numeric score in cell 1, and you want to display either a pass or fail based on the passing threshold. So in cell 1, we have a numeric score of 75, and in cell B, we have this formula here. So this formula is going to check if the score in cell A1 is greater than or equal to 70. If it is, it displays pass. Otherwise, it displays the character associated with the ASCII code 88. In this case, it is X. So if the score is 75, for example, in cell B1, we can see we have the pass. And if we have something below the passing threshold, we're going to return an X, which is the ASCII code associated with the value 88. So that's a little bit about the char function. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until next time.